Kajingdan jangki kunhon gi bapen sapriang ya kajing hikai ka babha na ka benta ki khna samla khnang bakin lat na ki Jingsniew baper ka long ka aka ka bawan ra jingmentoi ha ka emlang sa lang bat ka wei ni ki kunhon ka dei ka freedom hangout ka bana Mumbai. Kani ka kunhon ka dei ka bapet ya ka baha ka miat ki khna samla ha ki babun rukam bara ka jing ya lenti jongka lapen sapriang ya ki jing hikai na ka benta ki khna samla menta hanong ba Shillong bara ka life way tarik risau araja arpusan kalapen long ya ka program ka ba compare banya ki wei ha 7 set higher secondary school Shillong. Hagani ka program ka balapan long hapo hall jong tega school dagi nong sang ya ka tega kunhon ba kunthop yo Derek D Souza ka Kim D Souza baru Sam David ha ka balai shembanta shitham dagi khna jong tega school. Lapani po iping ya kani ka program dag jing rajing tem na lor ki jing shat ka balai shembanta lang dagi khna pulie jong tega school bar ha ka jing ekran bar ki nong sang ya kani ka kunhon ki lapen tip ba ka thong jong ka freedom hangout ka long ban khta ya ka jing mut jing prakhat ki khna samla bakin Lehkmen ha ka jing long khna hnrei ban lach pat na ki Jingsniew ka parthai. Nalor ka ta kila ongru babun na preng ki khna samla manta kim tip ya ka e ka baki le lane ki don ka jing le ran ban le ka e ka baki kwa hnrei lingba ka jing don jong ka ni ka kunhon kan ya le ban ya mir jing mut lang bat ki khna khnang bakin la ban sngo thu ya ka e ka baki don ban pen sngo.
Shillong Mail. So glad to be on your platform. This is Derek, my husband, Derek D'Souza. My name is Kim D'Souza, and this is Sam David. And we all are a part of a team under the banner called Freedom Hangout. Freedom Hangout. We've come all the way from Mumbai to your beautiful place, and what we are doing here is we are visiting schools, colleges, and inspiring hope in their lives. So this is what Freedom Hangout is all about. It is about inspiring lives, and our passion is the youth, and that is what we are doing, and we plan to take this vision to every state in India.
Yeah. So we've gone across almost 6 schools and colleges, and the response has been phenomenal. I don't know most of their names, but Sam here will tell you. But we've had the whole goal of Freedom Hangout is it's a hangout where people experience freedom, and that's what we bring basically. It's a place where chains break, chains of judgment, depression, anxiety, addiction. So every kind. Our main ideology is that we see the current youth trying to enjoy life but with chains on, and we are that group that we've come together from different walks of life. We're all professionals in our own workforce, and we've come together to do this passionately out of just pure love for the youth of our nation, to make sure that they can enjoy life without chains. Because enjoying life without chains, like I told you, there are so many chains in life that we are stuck with, and we are not achieving our potential. So with this initiative, we basically try to do that, unlock people from the chains that have bound them, open their mind to understanding, give them ways and means that they can overcome. And if you can go online and just check some of the responses, oh my God, I'm overwhelmed with some of the responses we've got.
The vision is very simple. It's breaking limits so that you can be raised. And in the last 4-5 schools that we've done, we have seen the amount of stories that we're hearing of chains being broken, like Mentor Derek was talking about. And this is genuine people who are writing on their own what touched their heart, and it's good to see freedom back in schools and colleges. Yeah, so that's what we are, Freedom Hangout. So hang out with freedom, Shillong Mail.
Basically, this is a company started by young professionals, and if you look at our team, all of them have a background background. Okay, some of them were in deep depression, some of them were drug addicts, some of them, were suicidal. But there was a transformation that came in their life, and when they received that transformation, all our desire was, how do we share this with somebody else? Because if you look at the youth today, they are so confused about, they don't have an identity, they don't value themselves, they are addicted, they are even confused about, foundational aspects like who they are, whether they are male, female. I don't want to go into that, but what I'm trying to say is there's a lot of confusion, and the only help that the youth have is ChatGPT or Google, and this is where we make a difference, where we are not sharing notes, we are not sharing information, but we are sharing our life, how our life we came out of our struggles, and we are telling them, hey, listen, if we can do it, you can also do it. And the best part is, because all of us are young, we are able to connect very well. Many of them, are coming back after the session, even writing on our social media and asking us, things where they are struggling, and they're saying they've never shared this with anyone. So this is where, I believe it's such an important move, such an important thing for this generation.
I mean, one person came up to me and told me, he's saying, I don't know what's happened to me. I've got emotional damage. And I was like, what is emotional damage? And then I understood what he's trying to say. He's saying that something has touched me like I have never been touched before. And that has been, you were here, right? You've seen the way the people have, the students have come out, and all we did was just speak the right words to them.
The power of a story.
The power of a story, encouraging them that every solution that they have is well within our reach, and we don't have to run and copy anyone, be like anyone. I know that's the whole story of Freedom Hour. So we've received tremendous response. The schools have welcomed us. I thank the principals of all the schools. They have opened their doors to us. Many other doors are opening. We've even done
college.
Yeah, you can tell them some of the colleges we've done.
Yeah, so we also went to one of the colleges in Shillong, very famous college, Shillong College, and we got to speak to the postgraduate students and on their very critical topics. Like, they wanted us to talk about gender equality, and the way they responded to that, the amount of freedom was tangible in that room. And it's not just in that room, in all the 5 schools that we've done till now, we could actually tell you that freedom is a person that is speaking to each one of us individually, and that is the response. If you go on our website, on Instagram, you will see everybody's commenting and they're sharing their heart out, because it's not just about them enjoying a good live music, but it's also about them learning so much from hope that was shared with them. There was one school and college that we went to. They wanted to, they've been running textbooks and PPTs and everything, and their feedback was that all these stories actually became so practical to us. Like, what we read in textbook, we saw it in front of our eyes, and that was their biggest takeaway. That they could never imagine what is written there in the book could actually speak to them as a person. So that's the impact of Freedom Hangout in your city. And we are already on an India tour. We've been traveling different parts of India, and Shillong is our stop now. We are heading to another city again. So we're really looking forward. We really love Shillong. It's amazing to see what is happening through Freedom Hangout in schools and colleges. So we would love to come back if Shillong wants us back.
We are planning to do a lot of things. We're just waiting for the right people, the right resources, and the right location. Right now we are in the cloud. So all our information, our material is in the cloud. So we have a digital academy which my wife heads. You can talk about that a little.
Yeah, something parallel to Freedom Hangout is Girls Academy. This is an online platform where we have courses especially for girls in the age group of 13 to 30 years. It's called SoGirlsAcademy.com. So, like, if you look at Freedom Hangout, it's like an inspirational event company where we are doing events and inspiring people.
This has been a memorable program for the students, and we thank Freedom Hangout and the team led by Mr. Derek, Mr. Sam, Tim and the other team members for selecting our school in spite of the number of institutions that we have in Shillong. They've come to our school, approached us to conduct this program in our school today, and we thank you that they have approached us, and I believe that this program has really been a blessing for the students, because through this program students have been able to learn so many things. I believe today has been a memorable day for most of them, and the experience they have had, and I believe this will be an impact in their lives, not only today but in the days to come, and they'll be able to share this also with other friends, family members, and I believe Freedom Hangout will be back to Shillong maybe next year and in the coming years as well. Whenever such opportunities come, we are ready to host and have such programs in our school. Well, others as well who are ready to have anything that is going to benefit the students, we welcome them.
Do you see this program has an impact in the students?
Yes, from what I have seen from today's program, well, I have to ask the students as well.
Haba thin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.